Hi, welcome to Aromatherapy Wizardry. I'm Michelle Mailer, and today we're going to talk about some different essential oils you can use to help with digestive issues, tummy aches, period cramps, and overall tummy happiness. So, some of the oils that I use are in this blend called Happy Tummy that I make, and it's ginger, peppermint, fennel, black pepper, and coriander. And those different oils are helpful for different things. Peppermint is an overall stomach digestive ease herb and oil. So if you just have peppermint by itself, that's a good one to use in a little carrier oil on your tummy, or if you have some peppermint tea, that's a great thing to use for digestion. And the black pepper oil I add really helps with gas, and not only gas pains, but just eliminating excess gas. And so I just use a little bit of that black pepper oil, a little less than the other oils. So I use about the same amount of peppermint, ginger, fennel, and coriander, and then a little bit less of the black pepper. So I use 5 oils together in that blend. Let's say I was going to make a 1 ounce oil like this one. I would use 10 drops each of the first 4 oils, and then 5 drops of that black pepper. So about half the amount of the other ones. So this is a 1 ounce bottle. That would be 45 drops total, and that would be a great amount for a really strong but gentle aromatherapy topical oil for your stomach, and you would just rub it on in a clockwise motion. If you have any regular stomach stuff going on, if you have diarrhea, you want to rub in the opposite way. So it helps with constipation and all other things in a clockwise direction, and then counterclockwise for diarrhea. And this can also soothe a tummy that is upset from stress, which a lot of times that's why you get a stomach ache. Another kind of bottle I like to use for the stomach pain relief oil is a pump like this. This is also 1 ounce, and you just pump a little into your hand and rub it on. And then there's also a smaller roll-on, so this is 1/3 of an ounce. If you were going to make it this size, you would use about 15 drops of essential oil total, and the rest you'd fill up to here with jojoba as a carrier oil is my choice. If you can't find jojoba, coconut will do, but jojoba absorbs quicker and more deeply, so I really prefer the jojoba. I don't like to have my skin feeling oily for a while, and it lasts a really long time once you mix it up together. So for your carrier, use coconut or jojoba. I would suggest jojoba, and that's jojoba, the jojoba oil. And then your essential oils, and find some good bottles, and those will last about 3 to 5 years if they're stored in a cool place. And I usually use mine up quicker than that, but it's nice to know they'll last that long. So happy mixing, and I hope that you find all of the ingredients you need. And if you don't, please check out some of my other videos talking about where to find quality essential oils and bottles. And happy mixing.